My name is Zuleni Benavides and I am going to present Law of Fluid Mechanics and the Respiratory System, presentation of the principles of restoration and the fluid mechanics. Content: Houns's law, Boyle's law, Dalton's laws, subsidiary of the respiratory system, respiratory disorders, experimetric of lung capacity, hardening affects conclusions. Houns's law states that the correct tone a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across 2 points. Your formula is voltage equal correct times resistance. In the respiratory system, it can be applied to understand the relationship between inflow and resistance in the airway. Boyle's law states that at constant temperature, the volume of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. Your formula is first pressure by first volume equals to second pressure by second volume. In respiration, when thoracic volume increases, pressure in the lungs decreases, allowing inhalation. Dalton's law states that in a mixture of gases, the total pressure is equal to the sum of the partial pressure in each gas. Your formula is pressure total equals pressure 1 further pressure 2 further pressure 3 further etc. For the method for understanding how oxygen and carbon dioxide are eaten on the lungs. Subsidiaries of the respiratory system: ventilation, movement for air in and out from the lungs; internal respiration, gas exchange in the alveoli; transport, movement of gases through the circulatory system; internal respiration, gas exchange between blood and cells; cellular respiration, metabolic process that produce energy. Respiratory disorders: obstructive, difficulty exhaling, REB, asthma, COPD; restrictive, difficulty exhaling, RIG, pulmonary fibrosis; mixed, combination of both types. Relation to Houns's law, resistance of airflow affects respiratory efficiency. Spirometric of lung capacity, air volume, measures of lung capacity, spirometry times volume such as FEV, 1 FBC. Interpretation, identify equations of respiratory pattern and disorders. Hardening effects. The Hardy effect describes how hemoglobin's affinity for oxygen varies with the partial pressures of carbon dioxide from the tissues to the lung. Enzymes facilitating the transport of oxygen from the lung to the tissues and carbon dioxide from the tissues to the lung. Conclusions. Understanding the law of fluid mechanics is crucial in the study for the respiratory system. The interrelation shape between the subsystem allows for proper respiratory function and gas exchange. This was my presentation. Thank you.